Oh yeah. And well, I mean, when you get to, and I'm not saying I'm at scale at all, right? But sometimes when you're doing a couple deals a month, you have 60 follow-up calls a day.
Mm-hmm.
To where if you could automate that with just a couple texts, some RVMs and everything else, it frees up so much of your time. And then you don't even have to go get a leads manager yet, right? So it
Mm-hmm.
goes, I think CRM, then you get a leads manager. And then after that, when you're completely bombarded with just deals, then you can get an acquisitions guy, right? So like you
Absolutely.
can do a lot of deals with a good CRM and then a lot of deals with a good CRM and a leads manager, and you're not having to fork out a lot or get out and give out more of your deals and manage more people.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. And that's one thing, just to talk about the service element of investor views that we go all in on as well. We're very big on like systems and processes and in general, like 80/20 principles, trying to do and make moves as efficiently as possible. So one thing that we go all in on is providing good like video training on how to use the product in
Oh
context of
yeah.
different jobs in your roles, like a lead manager. That's one new thing that we have coming out, a lead manager job role training course where they watch probably like a playbook of 2 to 3 hours of videos, then they take a test, and then they're certified as a lead manager in investor views. So that you could take that person exactly how you're outlining chronologically, get the CRM in place, hand it over to a lead manager. You do some light, kind of watching them, making sure they're doing everything correctly how you like, and then they're good to go.
Bro, that's big. That's really
Mm-hmm.
big. Because you can now, I like that because you can build a business per se, and it's not, what's it called? Like you don't have to have an acquisitions guy. All these people think
Mm-hmm.
I need to go get a sales dude. I'm just like, bro, you could just go get a leads manager, have them make some phone calls for you, and then that way you only talk to like 5 hot leads a day,
Mm-hmm.
and you don't need a sales dude. And then
Mm-hmm.
you go get a buy the file transaction coordinator, or you train up your leads manager to handle that. And like it doesn't need to be some massive, heavy staffed, heavy overhead operation.
Mm-hmm. For sure. Yeah. I like in general marketing, any type of principles in life, like kind of staying as lean as possible and seeing if you can stretch that out, stay a little bit thin before, having to bring on more expenses for sure.